Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Parker Malls Club. I think this is the 5th, 6th flight on Zeus. 3rd time today. Yeah, it is the 5th time. Because I had 2 through the first time and this 3 here. Okay. All right. I got one gear door not wanting to close. I think I'm on my rough grass landings. It just bent the gear back just enough where it won't clear the wheel well. So you'll notice one door not closing because the wheel's not going. It's only missing by an inch, but it's enough where the gear won't shut the door. So, all right. But that's an easy fix, and that's just part of flying. We're gonna go down here. I'm gonna get turned around. We're going to take off from down here. Yeah, you'll notice in the flight that one of them gear doors is staying down. Got the FREEWING, or actually the KM Models Afterburner in her, and an HRB 6000 with a 50C discharge, if I remember right.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Boy, she is locked in. Absolutely locked in. All right, I'm gonna bring it by us full speed. Gonna go up with her. Notice how she's oscillating. Turn them gains down a little bit. You get to oscillating too bad, you can I've actually seen people's planes just blow apart, oscillating so badly. It's rare, but it does happen. Look at that. That thing is so beautiful.
Gear down.
All right, we're gonna come by.
Landing flaps. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Bring her by low and slow. Show a little bit of the low flight or slow flight capability. Beautiful plane. Absolutely gorgeous plane. Zeus does not have to go super fast all the time. As long as you maintain positive lift, keep her in the air, that's your airplane. You fly it the way you want to. The only laws you have to abide by, other than the laws of the land, is the laws of physics. You gotta have enough speed to create enough lift to keep her in the air. Other than that, you fly her the way you want.
Braking.
See that right there? That's what kills retracts. You keep hitting the earth like that too often. That's what just slight little bends, slight little adjustments that you're not planning for. And then one day your gears don't go up or down. All right, take off flaps from here.
Gear up.
All right.
Flaps up.
Okay, we're actually going to turn back towards the road.
Gear down. "30 seconds.
All right, we're going to come by here.
Landing flaps.
Landing flaps, gears down. We'll make sure all my stuff's down, then I'll go back around one more time to make my landing.
20 seconds.
All right, everything's down.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6.
All right.
4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
All right.
Landing flaps. Flaps up.
Oh, hit the wrong button for brakes, but that's okay. I didn't need them. I'm loving this plane. All right.
Prop secured.
Prop secured. 12 seconds left on a 3.5 minute timer. Let's see how much juice we have in the tank. %, but I'm not going to take her up again because I want to get one more flight in before we have to leave. Take up the Cougar again. Tell you what, as far as my free wing planes go, I don't know which one's starting to be my favorite. If it's going to be Zeus, the Cougar, or my Raptor, or my Vulcan, or my F-35. They're all, it's like having children. You know, what's your favorite child? It's just hard to say that. So, all right, folks. Well, that was the Zeus 6S version. Amazing flying bird. Just be careful with your retracts every time you hit that, because our grass is not cut and prepared for flight, only the runway. So it's hard on that grass every time, hard on that gear every time I hit that grass, and every time you're vibrating against all those settings and screws and everything. That's why it's so important when you're done flying, you get back at the shop, check everything over, get your screwdriver out, make sure everything's nice and tight, do repairs needed, because you don't want a bad surprise when you come out of the airfield. All right, y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all, and don't forget, stay family and friends.